facing backwards so I can get you guys in here as well.
It's kind of bouncy too.
Hey guys, I got everybody on here now.
What's up, Hidden Wingers? Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. A lot of you guys are watching the videos, but you're not liking them. So drop a like right now.
We're about to walk the bike
Thank
path.
you.
Like who are you calling a chicken?
Oh yeah, all right.
Yeah.
All right, Hidden Wingers, let's get this.
Let's do this thing.
Guys, let's back up.
Off the side, guys.
Until I go in the water with this thing. Because it's waterproof, so I can swim with it. It's kind of interesting.
Hidden Wings, we are hiking the Aliso bike path trail to El Capitan Beach. Woo!
I love El Cap.
Me too.
But I don't know if we can make it all the way there because of the bypass.
You can, it's
Oh,
closed,
closed.
but you can still walk it.
Oh yeah, that's right. Just walk up to the fence. Hey, here we're gonna walk on up. We're walking this bypass, and we're gonna walk all the way to El Cap. We're gonna touch the fence, turn around, and hike all the way back.
Go have some lunch and make a nice little swim.
Are you going in?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Give you a little cold plunge.
I've done that. I've done that with ice. Yeah, that Blake found. Kind of cool, kind of interesting. I might bring this back. Might. We're at Refugio. We just hiked the Lascinia Trail. All the way out to El Cap. It's a beautiful day, as you guys could tell. It's all nice and sunny. It's all nice and sunny. That's the way it should be. It's all beautiful. Check these out.
Look at that.
These are kind of cool.
These are pretty cool.
Yeah, there's a little shell in there.
Oh, cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, man. Right on.
Yeah. Yeah. I might actually walk up to the point.
Which point?
The point that. Yeah, that's right. That's right, they got out. They got out, let me stay in. Yeah, it is. Very clear. I go.